Hello there. Hi, it's Julie here. I thought I would hop on, and I was just about to go home actually, and then I thought I'll hop on and I'll give a bit of an update on what has been happening. So I'm up at my studio in Sarrett, and I thought I'd give a little quick update because there's been plenty happening. So what I'm going to do is quickly turn this around. I've been reorganising everything up at my studio. So I've kind of been got one last pile, a couple small piles here of things that need to be tidied away. But other than that, I'm getting everything fairly shipshape now. So it's beginning to come together. Things are finding their permanent homes. Yeah, I've got another little pile of bits here to find a home for, but got my little encaustic wax shop organised there. So yeah, it's really starting to come together. I'm all set up. I've got a workshop on tomorrow. It's going to be the last workshop in 2018. So I've got an iron workshop on tomorrow. So there is still a bit of space. If you wanted to come along, then there is still a space. So that's happening. So I'm going to come in tomorrow morning and just finish the last bits of the tidying up, which is cool. The other thing that's happening, which has been taking loads and loads of time, but it's getting there now, is if you've been following me for a while, you might have heard about this website that is coming soon. It is pretty much there. So I'm going to turn this around and give you a quick... This is my new website. So it's artyheaven.com. You have to do this /home because if you go to artyheaven.com, it takes you to a landing page saying it's coming soon. So I've got a last few bits to finish off. But yeah, it's coming on. So this is really tricky looking through a phone, looking onto the computer. So there's a little video that kind of kicks off and explains what encaustic wax painting is all about. All the different styles and things that you can do with wax. I don't know who's on here actually, so hello if you're watching live. So yeah, you can, and then just start to kind of scroll down. So it's a bit about me. Then there's, so I kind of do workshops and demonstrations. I supply the wax supplies and I sell my own art. So it's then kind of broken down into 3 sections throughout the site. So yeah, there's all of this. So you can now, you hit find out more, and that will take you to more about, workshops and demos kind of thing. So loads of, and then there's online courses, real life workshops. So yeah, that's kind of how it kind of sets out. This is so tricky looking through a phone doing this. Oh dear, that's a bit large to come straight at. So yeah, so there's a bit about me, what I'm all about. So some information on there. Then there is a section for wax. So like what wax is, upcoming events, which I'll come on to in a minute. I've got an open week next week. Frequently asked questions, some testimonials. I've got dear, that's ever so. I might have to do something with that image. That's throwing me completely. So then I've got a blog page, all my old blogs. So there's lots and lots of information on there that I've pulled through from the old site, and lots of blogs to come. And then the big one, which has been, so if anybody's looking for wax supplies, you can now buy them online. You can book workshops and demonstrations online, and you can buy my art online. And then the other thing that I've got as well are gift vouchers. So these are building. I've been loading products on. So some areas you'll see are kind of coming soon. I've started off with the Arts Encaustic range and the R&F range. So you basically click down to the button, and then you've got, choice of this, and you can go and pop your waxes in your shopping basket. So it's all very high-tech stuff for me. So you choose your choice of colours, tells you what's in there, add to cart, and away you go. So you'll see it there in your shopping cart, and then check out. It's currently only set up if you've got a PayPal account. So I'm still I've still got tweaks to do on this. There's still a bit more to go. I've got some of the R&F products on, but not all of them yet. But it's coming on. It's coming on. So it's taken ages and ages. Not being techie as my first point of call. I've got an amazing lady helping me set it all up. I haven't done all this myself at all, but I've obviously needed to get her the copy and the products and etc, etc. So there's a page with my art on. Hello, whoever's just hopped on. So yeah, there's a page of my art. So there's the RNF wax art, which I haven't loaded yet. I'll do that soon. Arts Encaustic abstract art is here, and then there's like loads of different products, so you can, well, add more. I say loads, more and more adding daily. So yeah, it's cool. So still some more work to be done, but it's coming on. It really is coming on. So, oh, and the other thing that's quite cool as well, especially on the run up to Christmas, is if you don't know what you want to choose something next year, maybe you can now buy gift vouchers, and then you'll get emailed a gift card, you know, voucher code, and then you can use that to, so say here, you go to checkout, just pop your code in, and you can, anyway, you don't need me to scroll through. But yeah, pop your code in, and then you can, you know, take that off against, you could, you know, turning around now, you can use it against wax supplies, workshops, or artwork, whatever you like. So there's lots of different options there. So yeah, it's been exhausting. I'm absolutely shattered. It's been really good though, because it's making me finally get it organised and yeah, get it all together. So tomorrow is my last workshop of 2018. That's it then. So it's just one iron workshop. Oh, actually, if you wanted to book, you can go to Real Life Workshops, and that workshop is on there. So you could, if you're free tomorrow afternoon, you could hop up and sign up for that on the website. Other than that, I'm open Monday to Friday next week from 10 o'clock till 3 o'clock each day. And then we're having some drinks on Wednesday evening, just from 6 till 9. So just a glass of fizz and a few nibbles or something. So if you are in the area and you want to pop along, then it would be fab to see you. Anyway, I just thought I'd give a quick, jump on and give a quick update on what I've been up to, because it's been a bit intermittent, mostly because I've had my head down in this website for the last couple of weeks. So there you go. Anyway, have a look around it. Hope you like what you see. There's a newsletter going out, but there's something wrong with the links on the newsletter that I've written, so I need to look at that. But that's going to be a job for tomorrow, or one day over the weekend, or maybe even Monday. Anyhow, so if you're nearby, it'd be great to see you, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.